Okay, this is Trooper G's rescue 1 of 3. Let's do a quick walk around. I'm not going to close the hood properly because it's got a severed hood cable. Aren't those getting fun to find? It's definitely got a healthy patina on it. We'll just check out the roof line real quick. Oh yeah, there's the stock roof rack, gold label package. A whole lot of fur coat. So the first thing we're going to do is just get the air hose off and get the air hose out and try to blow off some of this crap. Then I'll take a pressure washer to it. But it fired up and just moved itself out of the parking spot. So it's not doing too bad. Nice LS package, chrome tail lights, everything's in good health back here. They did have some body work and some painting done, but it's sat in the bush for like 3 years. It's not exactly loving that. This roof lip is just totally clogged, so it's not shedding water as it should. And the moss and the mold that grow, it just soaks up the water like a sponge, starts to eat into the rubber. Not good. We're going to get all that crap cleaned off. But pretty clean overall. A little bit of body cancer to deal with. Now we're going to check out the health of the engine after we get it cleaned up a little here.